Today, we're diving into the chemical factory inside your gut. It's pretty amazing stuff. So, food leaves the stomach as this harsh, acidic mush. How does your intestine even handle that? It all kicks off right here in the duodenum. This is the first part of the small intestine. And the first line of defense, these things called Brunner's glands. They're waiting right there for the acid.
Their job is to pump out this alkaline mucus. It's basically a natural antacid protecting the intestine walls.
Okay, so with the acid handled, the main digestive juice can be released. It's called succus entericus. And get this, your intestines make about 1.8 liters of this stuff every single day. That is a lot. So where's it all made? Deep inside these things called the crypts of Lieberkühn. Pretty cool, right? So what's in it? Well, it's almost all water, with just a tiny bit of solids. Making it is this neat 4-step process. Basically, ions move, and that just pulls water right along with them. But the real magic is in that little 2%. That's where you find the enzyme workforce. These enzymes are right on the intestinal cells, and they do the final breakdown of your food. They're the cleanup crew. And the cells doing all this hard work, they're replaced every 5 days or so. Super fast turnover. All right, let's switch gears to the large intestine. It has a totally different but just as vital job. See, its main goal isn't digestion at all. Nope, it's built for something else entirely. Its structure is pretty unique. These muscle bands kind of pucker the wall into these little pouches. And you can see exactly what that looks like here. It's all about moving things along efficiently. So what's its primary weapon? You guessed it, mucus. Lots of thick protective mucus. This mucus is a real multitasker. It protects, it lubricates, and it acts as a crucial barrier. So the whole point is this delicate balance. It's all about secretion and absorption working together perfectly. But what happens when that balance gets thrown off? Well, irritation can cause a huge rush of fluid. It just shows you this whole system is a powerful chemical factory. But what happens when it breaks?